Have you ever been to a farmer's market? If not, you're missing out. There's more than just vegetables at a farmer's market. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. Farmers markets are popping up all over the country, and they're not always just a few tables with vegetables on them to be sold. There's a lot of different items one can purchase at a farmer's market and see, such as homemade bread, barbecue, honey, as well as crafts. Sometimes farmers markets will have entertainment from a local band and activities for kids. If nothing else, it's a great atmosphere in which one can go and take in the sights, even if you choose not to purchase something. Some advice that I would offer you when going to a farmer's market is don't just buy the first beets that you see. For example, walk around, see what all the vendors have to offer. Now, their pricing is all going to be within a few quarters of each other, but at least you can see what they have to offer. Get there early. That's when the freshest and the most available produce is on the tables. But you can also make a deal whenever the farmer's market is about to close, because the farmers do not want to take this produce home. It's been harvested that morning or the night before. Their job is to get rid of it, because when they take it back home, most of the time it's not going to be used for anything but personal use, or it may just get thrown in the compost pile. So if you've never gone to a farmer's market, do some research and see where one is near you, visit it, and take in the environment and the atmosphere. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.